Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to Jumia's channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made this turmeric and carrot bar soap. First, let's talk about safety. Due to the lye solution handling, I am wearing a gloves and I have my eye protection on. Care need to be taken when handling lye solution. I will leave a detailed video below regarding the handling of lye solution during soap making. This is a combination of some oils and coconut oil. Some butter that need to be melted. The cool down lye solution. Carrot juice. Turmeric powder. And fragrance mix. I use the melted butter to melt the coconut oil in the oil. After all the oils and butters are melted together, the lye solution was added. Followed with carrot juice, then the turmeric powder. The turmeric powder can be pre-mixed with some of the oil. Everything is mixed together and it's ready to be poured. Getting the mold near me, the soap will start sizzling up as soon as the fragrance mix gets added. This is a DIY soap mold. After pouring, I covered it with a towel and kept it in a cool place for 24 hours. To cut the soap, I use this soap cutter. I know I should have lined this mold, but I forgot. But here is it, ready to be cut. For me, this cutting part is my favorite part. I made some soap last year, but with individual mold, I really didn't enjoy it this much. I did trim the soap bars to look more presentable than this, and that was the picture that you saw in the beginning of the video, and I am going to leave another picture of what the end looked like. At the time of the picture of the soap is already 3 weeks old. We are watching this video now. I made this video towards the end of February. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye bye. XOXO. Bye.